An atom has an innermost core called the nucleus. This nucleus of an atom is surrounded by shells. So these shells surrounding the nucleus of an atom contain one type of particles, which are the electrons. And the electrons, remember, are negatively charged. And the nucleus is made up of two types of particles. The first type is called the protons, which are positively charged, and the second type are neutrons, which are neutral. They have no charge. So because of this, the nucleus has an overall positive charge. But all atoms have no overall charge. This is because in every atom there is an equal number of protons and electrons.